Hello and welcome. Today I have a fantastic technique to share with you to transform a simple buttercream cake into a work of art. Let's get started. First, we want to achieve a smooth finish on our buttercream cake, so we will be applying the first crumb coat on the cake. Smoothen the sides and apply the second coat of buttercream. Once that is done, take your scraper and hold it against the side of the cake at a slight angle. Rotate the cake while applying gentle pressure, scraping off any excess buttercream to create a smooth surface. Level the top. Now it's time to create an eye-catching pattern using a kitchen towel. Take a patterned kitchen towel and gently apply pressure. Using your fondant smoother, apply light pressure to transfer the pattern to the cake. Make sure to cover the entire sides of the cake and then place your patterned kitchen towel over the cake and repeat the process for the top of the cake. Lift the towel off slowly to reveal a stunning pattern on the cake. Next, let's add some elegant piping to the top edge and down border of the cake. Fill a piping bag fitted with a star tip with buttercream icing. Hold the piping bag at a 45-degree angle and apply steady pressure as you pipe small shell-shaped decorations along the border. Continue piping shells and pipe at the top of the cake too. To finish off the decoration, I have added palm to the top and gold balls to finish off my decoration. And there you have it. Our simple buttercream has been transformed into a stunning masterpiece. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you.